That was maximum there. Check that out. It's gonna take a lot of tape to tape that up there. That was my pistol target. Dad, I got all 3 of them before it fell. It's brutal there, man. That's gallbladder surgery, liver surgery, and lung surgery, all in one. And that thing over there. Yep. Pretty quick transition too. Not that bad. Not that bad. With the good old Remington 870, son. Not bad. For thicker winter clothing on, not that bad. First time of the day with thick ass winter clothing on. Does slow you down just quite a little bit. That'd be a really good comparison video. It really would. Of course that ain't bad, but look at that. Let me take you over here right quick. Ooh, baby. Blow that chunk off that son of a bitch. If I'd have brought another shot, I'd take that bottom out, but I didn't. I'll see you on the next one. Good old Remington 870 working on 1,300 rounds. Fucking beast. Thanks for watching. And I'll definitely see you on the next one.
Home invader will ever stand a chance.